Hi and welcome to PolyOriginals with Fiona Abel-Smith. So for today's session I thought we'd do some quick and simple little polymer clay earrings, very simple cane. This is the colour one I'm going to do and we'll just have some fun. This video is going to be slightly different to my normal ones as I have a very heavy work schedule at the moment and don't have time to do the normal step by step. So this is going to be a very quick run through, video only, showing you how I make these. I do however have all the information you need in the details below the video, so just go down to where it says show more and all the details of the clay, the tools and everything else I use will be in there. I'll also put links to both conditioning clay and the Skinner blend tutorial, which may be of use to those of you who haven't done that yet. So let's get started on these quick and simple polymer clay earrings. And there are the finished earrings. As per normal, I've done an extra colourway for you. So this was very much the same sort of colours, and again all the details are in the description below, with just a green side going on that one. I hope you enjoyed that. Say slightly different from my normal videos with no talking, just fast forwarding through and showing you what I do. But it just meant I could fit this one in around my other work commitments that I've got going on at the moment. As always, thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to those of you who subscribe. I really do appreciate it. If you like these shorter ones, let me know and I'll see if I can fit a few more in for you. I will also be going back to the normal step-by-step ones for those of you who enjoy those as well. But just keep watching, and if you subscribe, you'll find out when I launch my next video. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Bye.